Have you ever imagined a crane so powerful it can lift the weight of 12 locomotives as if they were toys? Or a tunnel boring machine that devours entire mountains, leaving perfectly finished tunnels behind? Stop imagining, because these machines already exist, and they don't come from Germany or the United States. They come from China. While many people still believe China only manufactures cheap electronics, the reality is very different. China has become a global powerhouse in heavy machinery, creating mechanical giants so advanced they've pushed legendary Western engineering into the shadows. In this video, you'll discover the 8 most incredible Chinese work machines on the planet, from excavators that move more earth in 1 hour than 100 conventional machines, to mining trucks capable of carrying the equivalent of 40 adult elephants in a single trip. Get ready, because what you're about to see will leave you speechless. Number 8. Tanzhin Smart Port. Imagine a port where cranes move by themselves, containers organize automatically, and the entire operation runs 24 hours a day with millimeter precision. That's not science fiction, that's the Tanzhin Smart Port. This fully automated port uses robotic cranes capable of lifting 65 tons, all controlled by an advanced artificial intelligence system that coordinates hundreds of operations simultaneously. Driverless vehicles transport containers, communicate with each other, avoid collisions, and eliminate downtime. The result? 30% more cargo processed than traditional ports, near zero human error, and capacity to handle over 3 million containers per year. China isn't just building bigger ports, it's redefining how global trade works. Number 7. Sany SCC400A Crawler Crane. Now we move to something truly colossal. The SCC4000A isn't just big, it's the most powerful crawler crane ever built. This mechanical monster can lift 4,000 metric tons in a single operation. That's the weight of 2,500 cars lifted at once. Its boom reaches 108 meters, taller than a 35-story building. Despite weighing 3,600 tons, its massive crawler system distributes weight so efficiently that it can move without sinking into the ground. Designed for petrochemical plants and mega-energy projects, this crane has assembled some of the heaviest industrial reactors on Earth, tasks no conventional crane could ever handle. Number 6. CRCHI Mega Tunnel Boring Machine. Building tunnels through mountains once took decades. Not anymore. China's CRCHI Mega Tunnel Boring Machine doesn't drill, it devours rock. With a cutting head diameter of 15.8 meters, you could fit a 3-story building inside it. Its rotating head uses hundreds of ultra-hard cutting discs that slice through granite, advancing up to 15 meters per day. Even more impressive, as it digs forward, robotic systems behind it instantly install concrete tunnel segments, leaving a fully finished tunnel behind. It's an underground factory on wheels, making high-speed rail and underwater tunnels faster than ever before. Number 5. Zoomlion 101-meter concrete pump truck. Skyscrapers demand concrete at impossible heights, and China answered with the world's longest concrete pump boom, 101 meters. This Zoomlion machine holds a Guinness World Record thanks to its 7-section carbon fiber boom, 40% lighter than steel, but built to last 20 years. Mounted on a powerful 7-axle 620 horsepower chassis, it can pump concrete to the height of a 30-story building without extra piping. Once dominated by German engineering, this industry now watches as China takes the crown. Number 4. XCMG XE7000 Excavator. Welcome to the realm of giant excavators. The XCMG 7000 weighs 700 tons and is one of the most powerful excavators on Earth. Its bucket holds 36 cubic meters, filling a mining truck in just 4 scoops. Powered by a 3,000-plus horsepower engine, it's built for the harshest mining conditions. Its intelligent control system monitors pressure, temperature, and wear in real time, predicting failures before they happen. One XCMG 7000 can move over 5,000 tons of material per hour, completely reshaping large-scale mining economics. Number 3. XCMG XDE400 mining truck. Meet the truck that carries 400 metric tons in a single trip, the equivalent of 40 adult African elephants. The XDE400 uses high-strength steel, hydro-pneumatic suspension, and advanced diesel-electric drive system that powers electric motors in each rear wheel. This setup improves traction, recovers energy during braking, and boosts efficiency by 15%. With tires over 4 meters tall and braking power that can stop this beast from highway speeds, the XDE400 is mining transport at its absolute peak. Number 2. Shantu SD90C5 bulldozer. This is one of the most powerful bulldozers on the planet. Weighing 90 tons, with a blade over 7 meters wide, the SD90C5 can push 78 cubic meters of material in a single pass. Laser sensors, GPS guidance, and advanced hydraulic systems allow it to level terrain with centimeter precision, something unimaginable for machines of this size just a decade ago. In 1 hour, it can move more earth than dozens of conventional machines combined. And finally, number 1, XCMG XE7000 all-terrain crane. This is the most powerful wheeled crane in the world. 1,600-ton lifting capacity, 154-meter hook height, 182-meter boom length. It can lift 12 locomotives and place them on top of a 50-story building, all while traveling legally on public roads. Its computerized system continuously calculates wind speed, load weight, boom angle, and safety margins in real time, making ultra-complex lifts possible. From nuclear plants to megabridges and wind turbines, this machine is literally building the future. These 8 machines prove one undeniable truth. China is no longer following global engineering trends, it's leading them. Now tell me, which machine impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.